Welcome to my channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to share with you. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into the world of Adobe's latest innovation, Adobe Firefly Beta. Get ready to unleash your imagination like never before. Are you tired of spending countless hours meticulously editing and manipulating your images? Do you dream of a tool that can turn your wildest visions into stunning reality in just a matter of seconds? Well, dream no more. With Adobe Firefly Beta, your creative superpowers are about to be activated. Picture this: you have an image but think something is missing. With Generative Fill, a mind-blowing generative AI tool within Adobe Firefly Beta, you can now add, extend, or even remove content from your images using simple text prompts. Just describe what you envision, and let Firefly Beta work its magic.
To begin editing your desired image, upload it and select the Clear Background option. If you want to add a bedroom background, simply search for Bedroom with Black Background and witness the impressive abilities of Firefly Beta as it seamlessly blends the bedroom background with your image. It's like having a team of digital artists at your fingertips. If you are dissatisfied with the result, click More to generate another image. If you love the outcome, click Keep. Now let's proceed to change the clothes of our model. Click on Remove and adjust the brush size according to your preference. Feel free to enhance your project by adding additional elements, such as a cute cat, dog, or even a painting on the wall. Let your imagination run wild. You can also remove or modify any content you dislike and replace it with your desired material. Once you have finished editing, click Download to save your creation. Imagine the possibilities. Whether you're a professional photographer, graphic designer, or just an enthusiast with a passion for visual storytelling, Adobe Firefly Beta is here to amplify your artistic abilities. So get ready to embark on a transformative journey with Adobe Firefly Beta. From adding captivating elements to your images, extending scenes beyond imagination, or even removing unwanted distractions, the possibilities are endless. Activate your creative superpowers and let your dreams become amazing images. That's it for today's video. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Adobe Firefly Beta. Remember, your creativity knows no bounds, and neither does your editing prowess. Until next time, keep creating and let your imagination soar. As always, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.